Get a Malamute, they said. The shedding's not going to be so bad, they said. You're not going to be brushing them for 3 months straight every day, they said. You're a husky, shut up.
Testing out my dog's barking collar.
Don't lay in the light. Go towards the light. Hook yourself to heaven. You can go. Move on.
Warming up your whiskers, Sam?
No. Oh. Does anybody know how to restart a cat? Because I think mine is frozen.
That's right. Oh my.
Do it again.
Ellie, what do we say when it's time for breakfast? Yahoo!
Bro electric cat.
Still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as boy. Smile. Big smile. Good boy.
Oh. Hello. Hello. Mako, come here. Thank you. That's so nice.
The bloody dog. He been so bad today. He not fucking listening to me.
I don't think you should be selfish. Share with your sister. Give her a protein chip. Stella?
Oh no.
Stella, have the protein chip.
Pause down. Say hello. Say hello. Good girl.
Babe. Babe.
Hey. You sleeping in the food. Hi. Hi. Oh my God. That's so cute.
Put an ice cube on your pet to see their reaction.
Hello? Hello? I hear you.
It's an iPhone 10 next to it.
This is a cat.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Hey. What? What's happening? What's going on with your tongue?
Come on. Show her how to do it, Kahlua. Show her, Kahlua. Show him. There you go. That's how you do it. This right here is my absolute favourite noodle. Except for the actual twat. Who left the mirror bone right in front of the door?
Yes, you're very cute, but you're a naughty sausage. Yes, yes, I'm right here. No, absolutely not. No, sorry, darling, but boundaries. We have to have boundaries.
Pav, the delivery man didn't knock and left your parcels outside, but you have a dog.
Oh my God.
Bruno, estás mordiendo mi mano. ¿Sabes cómo se siente que te anden mordiendo la mano, verdad? No sabes.
Real, did you go poo-poos outside? Did you go poo-poos outside? Good job.
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
My mom told me it's not time to go on a walk.
What are you doing?
No. Not now. Not ever. You fix the paw. No. No, hey. Fix that paw. You know better. Fix the paw.
Of course I can give you a tour of the house. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Sometimes a warning sign. Hey, ladies, I have class here. You cannot do that. Shame on you. My apologies.
Te queda adentro. Vamos afuera. Te queda adentro. Vamos para. Te queda adentro. Vamos para.
Wait for it.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? Ah, what do you want?
You did it!
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Whoa.
The time a cat broke into my house and I thought it was a bird.
Where is it?
You're fat! Poppy, you're fat!
Fat. Okay.
You're fat,
Fat.
Poppy, fat. Fat, Poppy, fat. Fat.
How much she loves a new sofa. Gets up on the ramp. There we go. Assesses the situation. Where do you want to go? Oh shit!
This is Buck. Buck, the vocab mascot, to encourage you to do your bucking vocab. If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Don't beat yourself up over past mistakes. You are going to up again in the future.
You just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down, snap.
We take a final pancake. That's what he's gonna make. Make it big and pancakes. We take a final pancake. Final pancake. Bacon, 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 bacon pancakes. We take a final pancake. That's what he's gonna make. We take a final pancake.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
Yo, Lo, why'd you make a mess, man? Eat your food properly, baby. Okay, baby, you know what time it is. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Not eating it.
Why? You a vegetarian?
I just needed to answer one question. This baby Carrie.
You're done.
Ooh!
Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine.
Gonna get a ear.
Jesus Christ, Christ.
Hey, Mike.
Good boy, Winnie. What a good boy you are. He's got 3, he's gone.
Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
But you smell so nice. You're so soft and squishy and cuddly. I love to squeeze you. But you're so cute.
This week just to be like, hey, just so we're clear, if we're pausing our contract on April 1st, like, we're pausing our contract. We're not going to be creating.
Whenever you can't find the cat, all you have to do. What are you?
Oh my God!
It's so dearly.
You have no clue, do you? You have no idea what it's like to have something inside you. Something that's damaged.
Ow!
It's like a
I
bomb
shouldn't do it, but I can't help it. What are you doing?
waiting to go off.
Roy, be nice to me.
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
Пригодите?
Papa.
Gel, gel. Mats, Mats. Gel, hadi.
12 tane var. 12 tane.
Hadi.
12 tane. Evet, çok var. Çok var.
Oh, Hubert! Are you okay?
What are you talking about?
Honestly, RIP to whatever the fuck I was trying to watch. I give up. What are you doing?
Blackie! Oye. ¿Qué tienes?
You only survive because I let you. You only exist because I allow it. Never forget that.
Almost like you're turning the dough into itself. The dough should just sort of relax. There shouldn't be.
When he's trying to be cute, but you're not in the mood.
It was worth a try.
Boy dripped out. He got the hoodie. What's it say? What's it say? Ass muncher.
I'm convinced my cat is waterproof. Rolls off. It works. More twerking. It doesn't absorb.
Nova. Like, that's so crazy. Nova! Is that wine on you, mamas? No! Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
Bro, chill. Chill. The cheese rings! The cheese rings! Ah!
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me?
What's this? Okay, I like it. Picasso.